Hello everyone, my name is Manny and welcome to another video. Today is Mother's Day 2026. So happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And I'm going to laser engrave a design for Mother's Day. And I think this design is very unique. I also think it's a Bible verse. So I'm going to just start by adding the design to the software, which is Lightburn, and I really like this design. It's got some details, pretty cool details on. There's a rose and some leaves, but I'm going to engrave this on a piece of slate. This is my favorite material. It's really easy to work with. But before I start engraving, I put a coat of clear gloss to make it more shiny and to bring out the colors better. And so, really quick video, nothing complicated. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn my laser on. Or actually, before I do that, I want to make sure we know the measurements so you can see. So I'm going to say this is about let's see 7 inches 7 3/4 of width, and the height, it looks like I'm going to say 11 and 5/8. So it's pretty good size, and you can use this to decorate your house. It's a really nice gift for your mother, and I'm sure she'll remember it forever. So let me go ahead and turn the laser on, start getting things set up. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to fire the laser just to see where the laser is. I want to cover as much area as possible, so I'm just going to simply move the laser with my hands, and I'm going to put it right on the top left corner. Now if you notice, there's a border right here on the side. You don't want to engrave on that, so let's make sure this is working correctly. Okay, so now I'm going to frame. And again, framing takes a little bit of time. Unfortunately, I don't have a camera on this laser engraving machine. This is an entry level, which works really well. But framing, it's always extra step. Okay, I think we're good now. Now I'm gonna go ahead and work on my settings. I'm going to go ahead and set my speed at, let's see, what's a good speed? 102, about 108 power. I'm gonna go with 85. Curious to see how this is going to turn out because of the detail in slate. My power is 87.50. So I think we are ready to engrave at this point. But again, you can play with the settings. Framing is always a pain a little bit if you don't have a camera on the laser. Of course, as you get more experience, you can always upgrade. But as entry-level business, this works just fine. So let's start engraving. All right, very nice. It's got some pretty good detail. I really like the way it came out. The font is pretty good. The design, it's very unique, I think. I'm pretty sure that this will be liked by many out there. So, let me, I think I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. So it didn't have too much dust on it. So I think the laser cleaned most of it. But I think you can see it better now. If you look at the detail, it's pretty nice. Um, so this is a really good gift for Mother's Day or for any occasion, really. I do believe this is a Bible verse. I'm not 100%, but it sounds really nice. So let me know what you think in the comments. As always, please like and subscribe to support the channel, and also on Buy Me a Coffee if you would like to support the channel that way. I'll place the link in the description. Once again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.